Apple has done it again. The Mac Mini has always been about redefining what a desktop computer can be: small, powerful, and incredibly efficient. But in 2025, Apple has taken things to an entirely new level with the M5 Mac Mini. This isn't just a minor refresh, it's a desktop revolution. Packed with the ultra-fast M5 chip, AI-powered performance, upgraded ports, and the ability to rival even high-end workstations, the new Mac Mini is the biggest upgrade Apple has delivered in years. Whether you're a creator, developer, or everyday user, this compact machine might just change everything about the way you work and create. Today, we're diving deep into the Apple M5 Mac Mini 2025 review to see why this could be the best desktop upgrade of the year. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The story of Apple's Mac Mini has always been about redefining what a desktop computer can be. When the first Mac Mini was released back in 2005, its tiny form factor surprised the world and set a precedent for compact computing. Over the years, the Mac Mini has evolved from being an entry-level Mac to a powerful desktop that competes with high-end PCs, and with the arrival of the M-series Apple Silicon chips, it became a completely different beast. Fast forward to 2025, and Apple has once again taken things to an entirely new level with the release of the Mac Mini powered by the M5 chip. This is not just a minor upgrade, it's a desktop revolution that has the potential to reshape how we think about compact desktops altogether. The Apple M5 Mac Mini 2025 is fast, efficient, loaded with AI-powered features, and designed to future-proof workflows for years to come. For professionals, creators, developers, and even everyday users, this small box might be the biggest upgrade Apple has delivered in a long time. From the moment you unbox the new M5 Mac Mini, it's clear that Apple has focused on refinement rather than unnecessary changes. The design remains sleek and minimalistic, a unibody aluminum enclosure that still feels premium, but this time it comes with a few subtle refinements. The edges are slightly sharper, the footprint is a bit slimmer, and the ports are thoughtfully updated to match modern workflows. At first glance, you might think it looks similar to the previous M4 or even M2 models, but the true difference lies within. The new M5 chip, built on Apple's latest architecture, makes this the fastest Mac Mini yet and arguably the best value Mac desktop Apple has ever created. It's the kind of upgrade that doesn't just improve performance numbers on paper, it fundamentally changes what you can do on a desktop this small. Performance has always been the most talked about feature of the Mac Mini since Apple Silicon debuted, but the M5 raises the bar even higher. Built on an advanced 2nm process, the M5 chip integrates more CPU cores, enhanced GPU performance, and specialized neural engines dedicated to AI and machine learning. For tasks like video editing in Final Cut Pro, rendering complex 3D models, compiling large amounts of code, or running AI-powered applications, the Mac Mini with M5 simply flies. Benchmarks aside, real-world usage shows instant responsiveness, faster boot times, and virtually zero lag, even under heavy multitasking. You can run multiple pro-level apps simultaneously without any slowdown, something that older Intel-based Mac Minis could only dream of. In fact, for many professionals, the Mac Mini M5 rivals the power of the Mac Studio, but at a much more affordable price point. What makes the Mac Mini M5 particularly exciting is the way Apple has integrated